Bato, pick!
Wait lang. May request. Sino ang nanalo? Tay daw. Wait lang.
Tay! Nakasalalay lahat to kay Miss Rufa at Miss Annabelle. So, okay, one more time.
Again.
Ready?
Bato, pick!
Oh, tayo ulit. Isa pa.
Tayo ulit.
Bato, pick! Hey! All right, the winning takes the
Sorry,
500 of the
Annabelle.
opponent. Pair yourselves up again. Are you guys ready? Is everyone paired?
Yes.
Sino kalaban mo, Miss Rufa?
Ayan. Okay.
Parang wala kang... Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Bato, pick!
Alright! Okay, continue. The winners get the 500 of the opponent. Hanggat sa may matitirang dalawa na lang. Alright? Everybody paired once again. Shaina, you ready?
Alright. Bato, pick! Ay, ayun na. Mukhang exciting yung nangyayari doon.
Alright. Sino pa? Pair yourselves once again. Enchong!
Enchong grabe
Undefeated pa si Enchong dito. Ready? Wait lang. Bago kayo magbato-bato, please be careful with the diamonds for your fingers, okay? It might scratch you. Alright, ready?
Bato, pick!
Hey!
Alright.
In fairness, there are still people. How many are still left?
How
We
is
have one
everyone
here.
doing?
Miss Rufa is still alive. There's another one back there.
Si ma'am, looking for an opponent.
Pair yourselves up. Sino mga kapares nyo? Ready?
Alright.
Ready?
Okay. Si ma'am and si sir.
Ayan.
Okay, everyone. Ready? Bato, pick!
Kung oh my gosh! Natalo ba si Miss Rufa?
Oh, sayang. Hi, Ate Janice. Oh.
Natalo ng OG. Sorry, Miss Rufa. Pair yourselves up. Come on, until the remaining two will battle it out to win 50,000 pesos of Landers GC. Ready? Bato, pick! Uy, hindi tumitingin. No look, win. We saw that one. No look, win.
And we also have a winner here.
We have a winner as well. So how many is left? They're still playing.